A place where strong community ties, accessibility, natural habitats, and business partnerships meet. Welcome to Bloomington. Bloomington is the 5th largest city in Minnesota and is home to more than 80,000 residents. Bloomington offers all the perks of charming suburban living just minutes from Minneapolis and St. Paul. Bloomington is a city surrounded by nature. 1/3 of the city, that's more than 10,000 acres, is preserved as parks and open space. Bloomington is also home to the Minnesota Valley National Wildlife Refuge, one of just 4 urban wildlife refuges in the United States. Highland Greens Golf and Learning Center, a 9-hole par 3 course, offers a 30,000 square foot real grass driving range. Dewan Golf Club is the city's 18-hole par 68 course. Dewan has been recognized as a certified Audubon sanctuary because of its continued steps towards sustainable practices, following the installation of rainwater gardens, nesting houses for birds, and cultivating native grasses. Bloomington has embarked on an exciting journey of revitalization in the past several years. Phase 1 of the Penn American District wrapped up in 2012. The project added 234 luxury rental units in 3 buildings and 14,000 square feet of retail and office space to the southeast corner of Penn Avenue and American Boulevard. The Normandale Lake District is an attractive area to businesses and residents alike thanks to its preeminent suburban office location and its close proximity to Normandale Lake. The completion of Luxembourg will contribute to the more than 500 new transit-oriented apartments set for construction, creating balance among residential, office, retail, and hotel in the district. The redevelopment of the city's South Loop District is underway. Transportation improvements to Killebrew Drive and Lindau Lane set the stage for creating a higher density mixed-use area for residential and retail entities to come together. Senior housing responds to demand and to give people choices, keep their ties in the community, and live healthy in a different type of dwelling. Bloomington offers senior housing choices with more variety than most cities, with more than 30 assisted and independent living communities, each varying in the level of care provided based on the senior's needs. Location is everything in Bloomington. The nation's 12th busiest airfield, Minneapolis-St. Paul Airport, borders the city's northeast side. 4 light rail transit stations are located in Bloomington, allowing a passenger to travel from the Mall of America all the way to downtown Minneapolis, with stops at both airport terminals in between. In 2012, the 169 I-494 interchange reconstruction was completed, proving that safety and mobility in highly traveled corridors around the city could be improved with the right plan. The I-494 improvement project continues in 2013, which will ultimately set the scene for future expansions. Bicycle and pedestrian commuters have an alternative way to travel in Bloomington, as paths, walking trails, and bike lanes are not only improved, but added throughout the city. The Census Bureau classifies Bloomington as a principal city because the number of jobs exceeds the number of workers who live in the city. The Mall of America employs more than 13,000 people. The leisure and hospitality industry is Bloomington's largest sector, with more than 8,300 hotel rooms and 350 licensed restaurants. The leisure and hospitality sector employs about 11,000 people. Bloomington's large and growing population means a large customer base for businesses both large and small. To help guide the city's planning and vision, a community survey was conducted in 2012. The National Research Center out of Boulder, Colorado, contacted thousands of residents to get their views of Bloomington and its strengths and weaknesses. The survey showed residents loved their city. When asked, 94% praised Bloomington as a place to live. 94% would recommend living in Bloomington, and 90% rated the overall quality of life in Bloomington as excellent or good. Because the National Research Center has surveyed more than 500 cities, Bloomington was able to compare our results with 21 high-performance peer cities similar to Bloomington in size, location, demographics, population, and employment base. Bloomington ranks much above those peer cities in many areas, including a #1 ranking in employment opportunities. Bloomington also ranked #1 among peer cities in snow removal and utility services. Essential and quality of life services help support the long-term mission of making Bloomington a healthier, safer, and more sustainable community. The goal is to protect and reinvest in the community's key assets, our homes and businesses, by providing competitively priced city services that make Bloomington safe and build community.